Hello, this is Sayyid Mansoob Hasan. Welcome to the third video of the series of financial systems. In this video, we will present before you the interest-free financial system, which is truly 100% interest-free. Interest-free financial system is based on sharing of profit and losses. It means if there is any profit, that will be shared between the borrower and the lender in the ratio of their financial contribution. Similarly, if there is any loss, that loss will also be shared between the borrower and the lender in the ratio of their financial contribution. To understand this, we have developed three cases. In case 1, there is no profit and no loss, that is break even. Case 2, where there is a loss, and case 3, where there is a profit. And let us check what happens in the conventional and the present Islamic financial system, and then we will compare it uh, as to what happens in the interest-free financial system. In the conventional and the present Islamic financial system, the situation will be dealt like this. We see that the borrower has invested 50,000 as capital in his business and has taken loan of 50,000. Their financial contribution is 50%. The interest rate is 10% and the profit and loss before interest is, in case 1, it is 0. In case 2, there is a loss of 15,000. In case 3, there is a profit of 15,000. After application of interest, the net loss in case 1 comes to 5,000. In case 2, the net loss comes to 20,000. And case 3, the net profit comes to 10,000. And below we see that the net profit and loss for borrower in case 1 is 5,000, whereas the lender is getting 5,000 interest. In case 2, we see the net loss for the borrower is 20,000 and the profit for the lender is 5,000. In case 3, we see that the net profit for the borrower is 10,000 and for the lender is the same 5,000. In case 1, the ratio of loss to the borrower is 10% and the gain for the lender is 10%. In case 2, the ratio of loss to the borrower is 40% and gain to the lender is the same 10%. In case 3, we see that the gain to the borrower is 20% and the gain to the lender is 10%. Here we see that the borrower has different gain or loss situation, whereas the lender is getting the straight 10%, which is the interest rate. Now we see what happens in the interest-free financial system. The capital contribution and the loan is the same 50,000. The ratio is the same 50-50%. The net profit before interest is the same 0 in case 1, loss 15,000 in case 2, and gain 15,000 in case 3. Since there is no interest, the same amount is the net profit and loss after interest. In case 1, 0, case 2, minus 15,000, in case 3, 15,000. Since there is no profit and no loss in case 1 and the ratio in which the profit and loss is to be shared is 50-50, no gain or loss is shared between the lender and the borrower, so the ratio of gain or loss is the same 0. In case 2, the loss is 15,000, the net loss is 15,000. The loss is shared equally since the ratio is 50-50. So the amount is shared as 7,500 to both, and the ratio of loss to both is 15%. In case 3, the gain 15,000 is also equally shared, the amount 7,500 to both, and the gain for both is both the lender and the borrower is 15%. Here we can clearly see that there is a very fair, equitable distribution of gains and losses between the lender and borrower as per their financial contribution. Now, let's compare the situation that happens in the conventional and the present Islamic financial system versus the interest-free financial system. In the bottom side, we can clearly see that in the case 1, in the conventional and present Islamic financial system, the borrower is incurring a loss of 5,000 in case 1. In case 2, it is incurring 20,000 loss, and in case 3 is gaining 10,000. And gain for the lender is the same 5,000 in case 1, 2, and 3. The ratio of loss for the borrower is 10% in case 1, and share of loss, ratio of loss is 40%, and ratio of gain is 20% in case 3. For the lender, it is only gain 10% each in all 3 cases. Whereas in the interest-free financial system, there is no gain or loss in case 1. The loss is distributed equally in case 2. The ratio of loss is also the same. In case 3, the gain is also distributed equally, and the ratio of gain is also the same. We can clearly see the picture in front of us that interest-free financial system is based on equity and justice and fairness, and it shares the risks and rewards in the ratio of their financial contribution. Further drawbacks of the conventional and the present Islamic financial systems are that there is a fixed interest which is applicable on both lending and deposits. The institution has to pay interest on their deposits, and they charge interest on their loans that they give to the borrowers. They have to pay the interest on deposits and loans in any case, regardless of their financial situation. There is no sharing of risks and rewards. The lending is mostly based on collateral, and when the borrower is unable to pay the loans, the collateral is liquidated to recover the principal and interest amount, and in most of the cases, the collateral is sold at throwaway prices, which causes more loss to the borrower. Whereas in interest-free financial system, the system assures equitable distribution of risks and rewards. No fixed interest is charged or paid on loans or investments. Profit and losses are distributed on the proportion of the share of equity and loan. Interest-free financial institutions act as the trustees of public money because they know they have to share losses, so they make prudent investment and lending decisions. Since no such institutions are in existence at this moment in the world, we have started working on establishing the interest-free financial ecosystem. We told you earlier also that we started work some time ago. Now we are focusing on developing this system. Initially, a prototype of interest-free financial system will be developed utilizing both the Web 2 and Web 3 technologies which are presently available. After that, financial institutions will be established in different parts of the world, and then we will develop a complete banking and financial mechanism to serve all the business needs throughout the world. We have established a not-for-profit foundation in USA for this purpose. The foundation will own the majority shares of all these financial institutions established by it. The profits of the foundation will be utilized only to further the objectives of the foundation, and they will not be distributed as profits to anyone. After we have completed this system, we will make this work public for the benefit of the people of the world, so that they can benefit from it, so that they can learn from it. We will also develop partnerships with academic and professional institutions to impart knowledge and develop skills, so that the businesses and financial institutions uh, have uh, educated and trained human resource on interest-free financial system, and they can work on developing an equitable financial system. We look forward to receiving your support and contributions, and you can contact us on these uh, numbers. Here are the details. Thank you very much, and we will come with the next video, inshallah, with some good developments on this project. Thank you very much.